This is the week 11. So this video is for week 10 and week 11. I finished all my appointed physiotherapy sessions, and everything mobility-wise is great. I'm at about 122 degrees for my knee. I never got my knee to go flat, but I'm still working on it. I'm trying to stay with the exercises that I have. So I'm working on that. I've met with the doctor way back when. I've got another meeting with him, I think the first week of April. Anyway, so everything is going well. I still have some knee discomfort, but it's not a great discomfort. It's just I don't know, stiff sometimes. If I'm sitting down for a long period of time and I get up, the first 3 or 4 steps are just stiff, and then it'll loosen up. So I've been trying to get up at least once an hour and walk around, not try and get too stiff, because it just takes longer to loosen up if I've been sitting around too long, working at my desk, or even sitting on the couch watching TV. I find that getting off the couch is tough, and I don't know. I've got to start going to the gym, so I'm hoping I can make it this week. It's just going to be on me if I don't. I just have to get into a rhythm, into the habit of going to the gym. My knees are, like, the muscle in my knee needs to be built up. I find that this is going to sound like stupid, but I find that on a low toilet, and if you've got to sit on a low toilet, the last 3 inches are like agony, very sore. And then trying to pull yourself up off the toilet is equally embarrassing. And now I know why there's grip handles in some stalls and washrooms, because, man, you really, when your knees are just not 100%, it helps. But so that's just the standard, I guess, the standard stuff that everyone that's going through a total knee replacement is going through. So if I can build up the muscles, then I can probably reduce some of that strain, stress, but we're going to see. Like, I need to get to the gym. I need to start working out, just for more than just my knees, but to help my knees as well. So that's something I'm going to try and do starting this week. I went to a car show 2 weekends ago, and that was the first time I'd been walking around for a long time, like for straight. So we walked around for about 2.5 hours, and I found that my knee was starting to get sore, and I had to sit down for 10 minutes just to rest and just to take the pressure off of my knee. But that's the only problem I've had walking around with after my knee replacement. But it was 2.5 hours. You know, it was a fair amount of time. So, you know, we did a fair bit, and I walked through the whole show. It was, you know, I felt good doing it. Just I needed to take some stress off my knee for a period of time. But that's, you know, that's how my last 2 weeks has been. Everything's been good. I still have swelling in my ankle. I still have swelling in my calf, and a little bit of swelling in my knee. I don't know how long I'm gonna have that. I'm hoping that eventually that reduces over time and goes away. But you know, like it's been a good 2 weeks, and I feel like I'm moving forward, and you know, with spring coming, you know, and the car show's coming, I definitely want to, you know, make the best of this summer and getting around. Where last summer I just didn't enjoy everything, you know, like the car shows where everything was a strain, everything was hard, you know, like walking around was hard. I did a lot of sitting, you know, bring the chair in the back of your car, and you'd walk for 10 minutes, and then you'd sit down because the pain was you know, getting was building, and was just making it very hard to walk around for any length of time. So I'm looking forward to a different summer. I'm looking forward to being able to get around, being able to go to the shows. So we just have to, you know, it's part of the process. I just have to keep pushing myself so that my knee, my leg, everything is good and the best it can be, so that I can do what I want to do and not, you know, not miss out like I kind of did last summer. Anyway, that is the end of week 11. So I'd like to wish everyone a happy evening, and oh, sorry. And we'll talk to you later.